Some recipes never go out of style, and chocolate crackles are definitely one of them. They've been a favourite at kids' birthday parties, school fetes, and family get-togethers for generations. I'm using Kofi here because it melts beautifully and helps create that classic chocolate crackle texture we all know and love. Once everything's mixed together, simply spoon the mixture into colourful patty pans and let them set. If you're making chocolate crackles at home, don't skip the Kofar. Simple, nostalgic, and just as delicious today as when we were growing up.